Imagine an event that showcases only works created by seniors, pieces meticulously designed by the aged but skilled hands of our elders. Welcome to this week's edition of the Arts Page, where we will be entertained by the island's golden ages.
This idea came about last year, July, when a young woman had this desire to showcase the stories of senior citizens. And so she pleaded with her lecturer to say, can it be that the Edna Manley College find a way possible so we can tell the stories of our seniors? Lo and behold, the idea of telling the stories grew into what you are seeing today, Golden Designs, which is an art skills training program for senior citizens, those who are age 60 and over. This young woman I speak of is none other than, as you would have guessed it, myself.
Shelley's class project recently culminated in a full day of activities and art exhibition on the grounds of the National Council for Senior Citizens.
Today, as a ministry, we look with great interest at the artwork created by our more mature Jamaicans, our golden Jamaicans, and can say that the quality displayed here is of the highest caliber.
Over 50 art pieces were on display, all created by the 50 elders of the program who came from the parishes of Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Thomas.
I made earrings, I made necklace, and I made bangles. It was like Easter period, and it was like the red and white, and I chose red and white, and everybody loved it. And I also liked the red and white when I saw it first time.
I made a leaf, a green leaf that it was green, but I made it that it ripe. I did jewel making, necklace, and brace, and earring. This is one of the earring that I did.
And on the day, the innovative paintings, drawings, crochet and jewelry of the seniors were topped off with a captivating dance performance from a few of the art creators. Yes, these artists are dancers too. The event, which was a requirement for Edna Manley's Bachelor of Arts Management program, in which Shelley is enrolled, also certified the seniors for their hard work.
The Golden Design Arts Training Program augments the mission of the Social Security Division of the ministry. The more than 40 older adults who were engaged in jewelry making, photography, and other art forms are now equipped with additional skills to keep the mind and body active, as well as an activity for social and economic purposes.
I enjoy doing it, and I look forward to continue doing it because it occupies your time and it helps with the brains because it keeps you thinking, what next, which one should I do next, things like that.
I feel like I would do it for another time, like going to school, because actually if they don't have a class up by Edna Manley, she said, yes, but I don't get onto it yet. But I think I would do it in future. But not for sale, just like birthday present and gifts, wedding present and so forth.